Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news and tutorials. Today, we'll be talking about Node.js, a powerful runtime environment for building scalable, server-side applications in JavaScript. To start things off, let's define what Node.js is. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to build fast and scalable network applications using JavaScript. It's built on the V8 engine, which is the same engine that powers Google Chrome, and it provides a way to write server-side code in JavaScript. One of the biggest advantages of Node.js is its ability to handle large amounts of data and traffic. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model, which allows it to handle multiple connections simultaneously without blocking the execution of code. This makes it perfect for building applications that require real-time interaction, like chat apps, online games, or social networks. Another advantage of Node.js is its vast collection of packages and modules, which are available through the Node Package Manager, NPM. These packages provide developers with a wide range of functionality, from building web servers and APIs to integrating with databases and third-party services. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of Node.js in action. One of the most popular uses of Node.js is building web servers and APIs. Popular companies like Netflix, PayPal, and LinkedIn use Node.js for their server-side applications. Node.js is also used for building real-time collaboration tools, like Trello and Asana, and for building chat applications, like Discord and Slack. Now, let's talk about how to get started with Node.js. To start using Node.js, you'll need to install it on your computer. You can download the latest version of Node.js from the official website. Once you have Node.js installed, you can start creating your first Node.js application. To create a basic Node.js application, you'll need to create a JavaScript file that defines the server and the routes. You can use a package like Express.js to make this process easier. Once you have your server and routes defined, you can start adding functionality to your application, like connecting to a database or integrating with a third-party service. Finally, let's talk about the future of Node.js. With its growing popularity and vast community of developers, Node.js is only going to get bigger and better. The latest version of Node.js, Node.js 16, was released in April 2021 and introduced new features like improved error handling and a new stable release schedule. And that's it for today's video on Node.js. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and tutorials.